Hello.
Hello, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Tell me your name, please.
My name is Bahadur, sir.
Okay, Mr. Meg, tell me something about yourself.
Yes, sir. I am 38 years old.
Mm-hmm.
My education is AC pass.
Okay.
I am from Nuwakot, Nepal.
Mm-hmm.
I am 10 years this road construction.
Mm-hmm. So, what about your working experience?
10 years this road construction.
Okay, so road construction site. You work
Site.
as a construction labor in a roadside for 10 years.
Yes,
Yeah?
sir. 10 years. I have 10 years road construction.
Okay. So, why did you choose to go Croatia?
Croatia is very beautiful country, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Croatia, about Croatia, I am working
Mm-hmm.
that Croatia country, sir.
Okay. So, do you have any medical problem?
No problem, sir. I am fit and fine, sir.
Okay. So, would you be willing to work 8 hours per day and 60 per week? Are you able to work?
Yes, sir. I am ready, sir.
So,
I am-
even more than 8 hours, no problem?
No problem, sir. I am ready, sir.
Okay. So, do you have any relatives in Croatia?
Uh,
Do you have any relatives?
Relative, yes, sir. My brother is Croatia 1 years before 1 years.
Okay, so he's working in Croatia?
Yes, sir. I am working Croatia, sir.
Okay. Okay, so we will send this video, okay? So
Okay, sir.
if you are selected, then we will inform you for the further process, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.